Hello, all. This is your girl Sheryl with Big Life, Big Dreams. And I just want to come to you and talk to you because it's been a while since we've had a conversation. And as you all know, I am absolutely in that space of self development and helping others actually achieve their dreams. And what I wanted to do was actually come to you. I was watching another mentor of mine, and he was basically talking about having been in a struggle and how he had written his book, and his book was out now, and it was transformational, and it's there to actually teach you a story. But what it is that he's already gone through it, and now he's here to tell you how it was on the other side. And I thought, you know what? You usually don't hear from people while they're in the middle of their struggle. And it would be nice to see how they kept themselves motivated during times of stress, how they were doing it. And I'm here to tell you guys that I am actually going through something right now. And I wanted to share with you, I wanted you to come on this journey with me. And I wanted to show you how I'm getting through it. And I'm here to tell you I'm actually going to have you help me get through it. And you know why? Because there's something about when you come together and having that energy of people that got your back, knowing the universe has your back, knowing the Lord has your back, having belief in something bigger than yourself is actually the thing that's going to help pull you through the struggle. And because I know this, because I've had to rely on those things, I had to go back to the things that keep me motivated and keep me going and keep me encouraged, because it's so important that we reach for those things. It is so easy for us to spiral in one direction or the other, meaning we can either spiral up or we can spiral down. And the thing is, once you grab one thought, you begin to get momentum and you go on to another thought. So when you catch yourself actually in thought about negativity, it's really important to realize what's going on, examine that, and then quickly as possible, reach for the positivity that's going on in your life and reach for the positive things, just as even being able to take a breath, because there are so many brothers and sisters out there that cannot even do that. And when you're able to do that, then what that means is that you have opportunity. You have the opportunity to get up every day and actually take charge and take control of your own situation. And yes, we all go through struggles, but it's really about what do you learn from it and how are you going to come out from it. That's really it. Because you have to do that. There's really no other choice. You can either lay down and let life take over, or you can take control over life. And that's the message I wanted to share with you, because you know, you guys, I even share that message with myself because I have to. We have to reach for the positivity in our lives, the positive people in our lives, and actually do things to keep us motivated and on the road of accomplishing the things that you want to do. Because as long as we have those 6 human needs met, you guys, you know what those are, but I'm not here to really start getting you into all that stuff. But one of those needs, of course, is to be able to fulfill your goals and your dreams, because we all have them. And you have to go after them, and you have to do whatever it takes so that you can achieve them. And know that from every so-called failure, it's really not a failure. It's a fine-tuning. It's showing you how not to do it in some instances, and then others how to actually do it better, and learning from others. Do that. And of course, having faith, not only faith in a higher power, but having faith in yourself. If you've been able to achieve other things in your life, remember that pattern that you used and do that again. That's all you have to do is repeat. So reach for those things, and if you don't know how to do it, get with people that do know how to do it, and get with people that's going to keep you motivated in your weakest moments, because we all have them. I've had them. And y'all better know I'm going to be writing me another book, and I'm going to even talk about the struggle that I'm going through. What happened really quickly, you guys, is that I just sold my house. The house we thought we were going to get, we didn't get. For a couple of reasons. One house that I really loved, and the reason why I sold my home was a beautiful view I was going after. And By the time I sold my home, somebody else had made an offer on that house, and that house is gone. But there were some other homes that I loved, and we went after those, and unfortunately one of them was in such bad condition, it will cost me more to remedy it. So I had to walk away from that. So we're living, if you can look around here, guys, there's nothing in this apartment, okay? Nothing but my bed. Let me see if I can get you a picture of my bed real quick. I love my bed, y'all. It's messy, but this is a real deal, Cheryl. Alright, so there's really nothing in here. I'm not exaggerating. I went and bought some dishes. My little pan. Hey, it's a good pan though. My stuff is in storage. We just thought that we were going to be moving a lot quicker, so we didn't even go through the thing of finish bringing everything here because we thought we were going to be moving. And so now for those things to have happened, then I get up and I don't have anything in here. Kind of adds to that depression feeling. But depression is really just anger turned inside when you're mad at yourself because, oh man, I didn't do it the way I thought I was going to do, or things didn't turn out the way I wanted them to turn out. And the fact of the matter is that sometimes things don't turn out the way that you wanted them to turn out because something better is going to happen. But you have to be patient, and you have to keep on that mission of what you truly, truly want, and know that the universe is working with you. Know the Lord is working with you. You just have to keep motivated and keep reaching for the positive in your life. For me right now, I'm thinking of my little cute grandbaby. I'm thinking I'm going to go get me a little tree up in here. I'm thinking about trying to get the rest of my furniture in here. And you know, hey, I'm going to start looking for my dream house. It's out there. It's waiting on us. And it's going to come. I know it's going to come. And I can't wait to share it with you guys when it happens. So anyway, I love you all so much. And journey with me as we go through this and share your struggles. Let's go through them together. Let's help one another. Let's pray for one another. Let's keep each other motivated as we go through this. You guys give me some tips and ideas because I told you I'm going to write this down, put this in my book. And I want to share how you're getting through your struggle and how we're going to get through this struggle together. And we'll add this to the book and we'll help other people and show them how we can do this, you guys, and how we can do this when we do it together, having that positive energy with each other. Hey, I know it's not going to be anything but a win-win. So, hey, it's your girl Cheryl. I love you. I'm your sister. I really, really want what's best for you. Please know that. I hope you can feel that sincerity. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And get back with me, you guys. And I told you I'm gonna pop in from time to time, and we're gonna journey with this. And I'm gonna write in my journal, and I want to get some tips and ideas from you guys, and help keep me motivated. And I'm gonna do my best to help keep you motivated as well as we all journey through this thing we call life. Love you. Bye. And make sure to follow me on Big Life, Big Dreams. Well, I have other good tips and tools, you guys. You know. So hey, have a good one. Bye.